Bangoy. Hindi ko medyas. Kaya ang medyas na pagka nangabawasan na. Nangakuan. Kaya nangawaha. Paglang kaso na. Kaya niya. Ito na may. Kanimba na may. Ba namin alas 8 alas 8 meet sa niya 7:55 na mga nangyari wala sila sa kyanan. Uy ito kayo yun. Hi love. Oh, what happened to elephant? You throwing the elephant now? Ay. Okay, oh dear, fell down dear. Kami kayo. You like your blanket? Late na po may ani, grab kayo pattern. 7:56. Yeah. Magsugod yun sila no? 8 June. 8 June na sila malate. Mga kuan diri ang mga on time mga tao diri ayun. Hasta pare nila. Bitaw na aram ko pare nagpuyo sa kan dool sa simbahan. Narasul sa simbahan mo nang di jud malate. Lain po malate siya no, yan ara simbahan nagpuyo. No. Church. Yeah. Come on.
Weird. No.
We go to church.
No.
Buong bata na nagmanga ungo. Malamig panimba. Today is finished na. One day. Hag-hag na nimba po. People. Sing to the Lord. Whoa, Kai. We're back na sa among sakyanan. Nakasimba na ang mga ungo.
Oh. All-wheel drive. I didn't think that was all-wheel drive.
What do you mean wheel drive?
All-wheel drive? It has front.
I keep sending it on WhatsApp. Sing to the Lord. Oh, we're going na. So this is like only a 5-minute away from our place, right, love?
Yep.
This is the nearest church. We're actually lucky because so this area, Gapuyo me, where we live, everything is near. Like the transit, right, love? The train station is near also, right?
Yeah.
Like I think 10 minutes of walking or
10 minutes walking.
10 minutes of walking, and then the kanang Walmart shop is how far is it? If we're going to walk, I think more than 20 minutes.
No, only 15.
15 minutes? 15 minutes. And then, yeah, if you want to go or you're a church goer. So 5 minutes drive, but I think you can walk also if you want to walk. But it will be how 15 minutes also. So yeah, the walk. But it's called the Walkman mga langga. So that's why we drive. Nindot kay tanawon ang ano kahoy ba kanang covered with snow kunuhay pero bugnaw siya. Bugnaw kay. And there's another one.
Very fast.
Oh. It's
Usually they don't go that fast.
too early for that, but for sure I think it's an accident or something like that because the siren is on and then driving fast. Sing to the Lord.
Looks nice with the trees.
I know. It's street. I still remember the guy you were telling to me last night, love.
Yeah, and then another article came out. Said that he was the sole provider of his mother, sister, wife, and 5 kids.
Oh my god, they're all here in Canada?
Yeah, he was the sole provider for all of them.
Really?
They're giving a lot of money to it.
Yeah.
Bet you now it's probably over 200,000.
Does the government have something like that, love? Or no?
For what?
For the family or
No.
If
Probably, yeah, because if you don't have no more income, you'll get assistance.
yeah. We're back na. Tapos sila sakyanan. Ning lingkod pas guys iyahang ning puli pas just kuan. I don't know what sound is that, but tugnaw. Tugnaw. Sige na siya kung yung tugnaw. Tugnaw manggod siya. Okay? Angay mo halo-halo na. Yan ako'y ready nga ice diya. Pwede na siya yung mga halo. So, ano bitang pila na ka murag pila na ba ko katuig ni nagpinang baya. Wa pa jud ko kay babon say korek nga yawi ani. Sige gyapon kog tagna-tagna. Pistig ka.